A viewer on Paul's YouTube channel recently asked if there was a way to widen the library. As you can see, you can adjust the width of the columns, but unfortunately, when you do so, you reduce the other columns' size as well. The best solution is navigate to the Edit drop-down menu, Adobe Captivate drop-down menu on a Mac, and select Preferences. Under the General Settings category, select the checkbox next to Enable Custom Workspaces panel Undocking. Next, shut down Adobe Captivate. Now, restart Captivate. Use your mouse to detach the library panel from its dock position, and you will find that you can resize it to just about any size you need. This works for many other panels in Adobe Captivate as well.
If you thought this video was helpful, please like and share it with your colleagues. If you need help with Adobe Captivate, hire Paul for one-on-one instruction. Paul's goal is to focus on lessons based on your specific needs. Visit his website at captivateteacher.com. And don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel.